Hey designers, let's craft a homepage for an ice cream website, followed by a section displaying various ice cream flavors, all within Figma. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's dive in. Click on the frame or simply press F on your keyboard to select the appropriate frame size. We'll choose the desktop size for this design. To zoom in Figma, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and scroll up or down using your mouse. Now, let's give the desktop frame a fill color. I'm thinking a nice pinkish hue would work well. Now, let's create a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Make sure it's half the width of the desktop frame. Fill this rectangle with a white color. Next, click on Place Image and select the transparent PNG file of a hand holding an ice cream. Open the image and position it within the rectangle. Adjust the scale if necessary to ensure it looks just right. Next, click here and navigate to the Plugins menu. Here, I have the Icons 8 plugin installed. First, let's choose the color of the icon we want. Since I prefer a white icon, I'll select the white color option. Now, in the search bar, type Home to find home icons. Choose the one that suits your design. Now, in the search bar, type More to find the More icon. Select the one you like. Perfect. Now, place both icons in the top right corner and adjust their positions accordingly. Now, let's add text using the text tool. Paste your desired text and adjust the paragraph as needed. Duplicate this text by pressing Alt key on your keyboard and dragging it to the right side. Replace the text on the right side with another text. Adjust the paragraph spacing for both texts. Give one text white color and the other text the same pink color we used earlier. Let's switch the pink fill of the desktop to a brighter version. Much better. Now, let's change the text color to the same brighter pink. Next, let's draw a rectangle here and round its corners. Now, within this rectangle, let's create another rectangle on top. Go to Fill. Select Image. Choose Go to Image. I'll pick this blueberry ice cream. Adjust its scale and position accordingly. Now, select the rectangle below and fill it with white color. Decrease the opacity of this fill by pressing Alt on your keyboard and scrolling to the left. Give it a white stroke. Select the rectangle layer, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Scale down the duplicated rectangle and bring it to the front by right-clicking and selecting Bring to Front. Let's add a background blur effect. Go to Effects and select Background Blur. Adjust the blur amount as needed and position the rectangle accordingly. Add text using the text tool. Write the flavor of this ice cream, which is blueberry. Adjust the position of the blueberry text. Next, let's write a small description of this flavor. Paste the description and decrease the size of the text. Make any necessary adjustments to the text. Now, let's duplicate this text layer for the price section. Paste the price and increase the font size slightly. Let's adjust all three texts to ensure equal spacing between them. After that, let's select all of them and give them a maroonish fill. Now, press Ctrl G to group them. Let's duplicate this group by pressing Alt on your keyboard and dragging it to the center. Then, press Ctrl D to duplicate it again. Adjust the spacing between them and ensure equal height and parallel alignment. Now, select the middle group, double-click on the ice cream flavor text, and change it from blueberry to strawberry ice cream. Adjust its position to match the blueberry ice cream. Let's change the text from Blueberry Bliss to Strawberry and adjust the description accordingly. Perfect. Now, let's move on to the last ice cream flavor. Change it from blueberry to chocolate. Go to Image, choose Image, and select a chocolate ice cream image. Adjust its scale and position as needed to match the other ice creams. Change the text from Blueberry Bliss to Chocolate Delight and paste the chocolate description. Now that we've completed this, let's duplicate this frame. Press Alt on your keyboard and drag it to the right side to create another frame. In the second frame, hide the ice cream layer, the white rectangle, and the text on both sides. Let's add a text on top. Select the text layer and paste your text. Adjust its position, font size, and ensure it's centered within the frame. Align the text to the center. Oh, it seems our icons weren't duplicated in the frame. Select them, press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste them into Desktop 2. Perfect. Now, let's go back to Desktop 1. First, select the left ice cream flavor, move it outside the frame, and rotate it about 25 degrees. Move it further outside the frame. Now, select the right ice cream flavor, move it outside the frame, and give it a rotation of -25 degrees. Again, move it outside the frame. Finally, select the middle ice cream flavor and move it all the way downwards by changing its y-axis position. Let's prototype it. Go to the Prototype section and select Desktop 1. Link it to Desktop 2. Change the trigger from on-click to on-drag. Select Smart Animate. Set the duration to slow. Select Desktop 2 and link it back to Desktop 1 with the same settings. Now let's play and see our website landing page animation. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.